Today I'm going to teach you how to create a menu in Elementor. This is essential for building professional navigation on your WordPress site, helping visitors easily find their way around your pages. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and find Appearance, then click on Menus. This is where WordPress stores all your site's navigation structures. Now, click on Create a New Menu. You'll see a field labeled Menu Name. Go ahead and enter a name like Main Menu. This name is just for your reference in the backend, so choose something descriptive that makes sense to you. Next, scroll down to Menu Settings. Here you'll find different location options depending on your theme. Select Primary Menu or whichever location your theme offers for the main navigation. This tells WordPress exactly where this menu should appear on your site. Then click Create Menu to establish it. Don't forget to click Save Menu to ensure all your settings are stored properly. This step is crucial so your changes aren't lost. Now, go back to your dashboard, click on Pages in the left sidebar, then select Add Page to create a new page. Once the page is created, click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor Page Builder interface. In the Elementor editor, you'll see a widget panel on the left side. Use the search bar and type in Nav Menu. This will help you locate the Nav Menu widget quickly. Drag this widget to your desired section on the page where you want your menu to appear. However, here's something important you need to know. To actually use the Nav Menu widget, you need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include this widget, so if you're serious about building custom menus with Elementor's drag-and-drop interface, the Pro version is necessary. Once you upgrade, the widget will become fully functional and you'll be able to customize your menu's appearance, styling, and behavior directly within the Elementor editor. And that's it. You've now set up the foundation for creating a custom menu in Elementor. Once you have Elementor Pro, you'll be able to design navigation menus that perfectly match your site's style and layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.